So before I start anything in the cursor, whenever I connect my Figma MCP, at that time I want to check two things very first, because in past I have used something wrong and it took me like thousands of the token from my credit, and it is waste. So the cost is one of the thing that I need to take care. And second thing is, if anything missing in the component in my Figma file, I can add this before I start anything else. So I will go to my Figma. This is the component that I am selected. I will copy this URL which you see on the right hand side. I will go back to the cursor and paste that URL, and I will paste the first sanity check is, so that we are on the same page. Please tell me the component that we are working on. The process is completed. So we are working on a button component, that is correct. These are all the variant color size do we have, that's okay. These are how many rows line, that is exactly correct. Now let's put the second one. Okay, this all value is also reflecting correct. I think we are good with that. Now most important aspect here is, if I go down, I selected a model called Opus 4.5. Now if I select a different model, I might get a slightly different variant of the answer that you are looking here. And every model has some limitation, and if you go to that, automatically it will switch to another model and you will not get the opportunity to use the same model again.